Thanks for watching my channel. This is the Triple C's channel where we talk about the 3 C's: careers, consulting, and cybersecurity. Today, I want to talk about how to get your career started in cybersecurity in 2021. Point number 1, be specific. You have to have a tailored approach here. Cybersecurity is a vast discipline with 8 different domains, and this made it easier for me to break it down and understand cybersecurity as a whole. Those domains are security and risk management, asset security, security architecture and engineering, communications and network security, identity and access management, security assessment and training, security operations, and software development security. Having a tailored approach and know what domain that you want to enter makes it a lot easier to start your career in cybersecurity. Point 2 is having an optimized LinkedIn. An optimized LinkedIn includes an updated headshot, updated About Me section, updated jobs and responsibilities, and an updated resume. You have to make it as easy as possible to market yourself to recruiters. Recruiters? Point 3 would be reverse engineering your resume. Whenever I'm looking for a job, I find 4 or 5 job descriptions similar and try to figure out what is the common denominator there. What are they really asking for? Then I try to make my strongest ties to those bullet points, and if I feel like I've had the experience of doing that, I would add that to my resume. Every bullet point counts. Point 4 is to get free experience. If you work for a company and you're trying to transition into cybersecurity, reach out to the cybersecurity folks at your company and tell them your interest in cyber. They might have some mundane tasks that they want to offload and let you take ownership of. And that's real world experience that you can add to your resume. You need to leverage free tools like Splunk Fundamentals 1. Everybody's asking for Splunk these days, and it is a free way to add a certification to your resume. Point 5, networking. Networking is the biggest point here. Every job I worked in my career, I pretty much have gotten it from knowing somebody that knew somebody. Networking is going to be your number 1 skill here, and reaching out to everybody that will listen and letting them know that you're passionate about cybersecurity and trying to make a transition. You can't be quiet about this, and you have to let this be known to anybody who will listen. Reaching out cold on LinkedIn, asking family members to make introductions, everything helps here, and casting a wide net is going to be the biggest thing in trying to land your first job in cybersecurity. Follow these steps, and you'll have no problem getting a job in cybersecurity in 2021. This is the Triple C's channel. I need you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video so more people can get this information. We're simplifying cybersecurity.